Stop loss a little bit underneath here. Targeting about this. Enter trade.
What's going on right now? What am I seeing? Why did I make the decision that I made?
What's good, squad? Welcome back into another video. And hey man, in today's video, y'all know how we've been coming recently, and I ain't gonna lie, bruh, it's been a little bit of time since I picked up the camera. At the end of the day, we post shift right now. I know y'all can't tell, but that's why I still got my mask on. I mean, if y'all could see my hands is ashy as shit.
You need to leave.
Like, squad, it looked bad. I know today, man, I mean, not really much has went on other than me going to work. I've been here all damn day. And this was part of the problem in which I was like just dealing with last time. It's just, bruh, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes we be having to go to work, but then work just be taking too much damn time. Like, work be taking all the time. How the fuck can you lock in when somebody constantly asks you something every second, like, hey, and for hours out of your day? Like, bruh, they make this hard for a reason, but once you escape, nothing good comes easy. I'm just gonna put it like that. I don't know, bro. I just be talking sometimes when I get on camera, but I don't know. I wanted to talk to y'all right now because clearly I'm sitting in traffic. Clearly I'm bored. I don't got no music playing. I don't got nothing going on. I'm just talking to y'all. If you went to work today, hopefully you had a good day at work. I don't know. I know that's probably not the thing that you want to be hearing right now. That's definitely not what I want to hear. I'm just ready to go home. I'm ready to get out of traffic. I'm ready to actually start my day because y'all already know, man, majority of it's been taken away. I sound like I'm complaining. I keep on, you know what? Let me tighten up. Let me stop. Let's stop complaining. Let's lock in. Let's get back home and let's get some work done.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
Squad, we back, man. We back at the crib. I'm out the shower. I done got everything taken care of. I also dropped a new video. If y'all ain't seen it, go ahead, check it out. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and flip this camera around real quick. Y'all see it, new video. Go run us up, man. Yeah. We back at the crib. Finally, today was a longer day. I didn't want to be there that long, but you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta make sacrifices, and that was just one of these days. Today was a sacrifice, so it's all good. It's all gravy. I'm about to post up, because we already done rolled up, so now we finna smoke up. Smoke session, y'all know what time it is, man. If you ain't new to the channel, man, then shit, y'all already know where I'm getting at. But if you are, then this is where we like to grab our snacks. We grab our water, chips, candy, whatever you could think of, man, juice, all that good stuff, man, go grab it, post up, because we about to vibe out and smoke up. We gotta hold our horses real quick, because, not gonna lie to y'all, bro, I was just about to go ahead, head into that smoke session, and we still are.
I hope so.
Okay. Tonight or tomorrow might just be one of them nights that we've been waiting on. Huh? It might just be. It might almost be about that time. If you know, then you know. If you don't, I'm gonna let you know. Trade market update. The trade update, man. Who knows? I mean, we've been looking at a couple pairs this whole week. We've been looking at a couple pairs for the past few weeks. We just haven't taken a trade yet because we haven't seen nothing. But now I'm starting to see a little something. Now I'm starting to see the market move a little bit. Who knows? If we get an opportunity, y'all know we taking it. I'm documenting the whole thing. Y'all getting it from start to finish. And we're going to see exactly what we can get from the opportunity that comes. When it comes, if it comes, I don't know. I'm ready to smoke. So let's get to it. I'm in the car, work attire is still on. It's a new day, man. Today is the 8th of January. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. Today's my glow day. I'ma just, you know what I'm saying, I'ma put it out there. If y'all feeling any type of generous, any type of anything, just drop a like on the video for my glow day, squad. It's IFN day. Not only that, but like I said, we off of work. So we out of the rat race, man, at a decent time. Last time we talked, I told y'all I didn't have much going on in the markets. If anything, like I was seeing some potential. I'm like, maybe it might be the night. Tonight might be the night. But am I about to catch a trade on my birthday?
Yeah!
Like, Is that what's going on? Is that how we rocking? I don't know. I guess whenever we get back to the crib, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check out the markets. I'm gonna give myself an update, and y'all gonna get it live right with me. So we gotta wait till I get back home. But in the meantime, man, I'm about to just breathe some fresh air. It's January, squad, and it's like 60 degrees outside. It's crazy. Like, it feels good as fuck today. We blessed, squad. We blessed. We blessed from the Most High. And nothing else I can say. I'm thankful. I'm gonna start yapping though. I'm gonna continue to head myself back up to the crib. As soon as I get back, as soon as I touch down, we gonna go ahead, get that market update. We gonna see where we at, and we gonna keep on moving on from there. I know the last time we talked, I was up in the whip. Last time we spoke, man, I was talking about exactly what I think may happen. Without further ado, let's not talk. Let's just show action. Let's get straight into it. Let's see exactly what happened. So as you can see, we are currently on NZDCHF. In Australia right now, it is 7:20 a.m. Me personally, I don't think this is a bad time to trade. I don't think that this is a bad setup. I'm probably about to enter in this market. Stop loss beneath the lows. I'm looking at about, I had to draw my 4-hour range real quick because I didn't know where I was at, but probably entering right around here. Stop loss a little bit underneath here. Targeting about this. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in this market. Risk percent. Probably gonna do like 2%. Stop loss is going to be 45755. Over here we enter stop loss 45755. 21 pip stop. And from here on, we just hit enter trade. So as y'all can see, man, we are now inside the market. We're gonna see what it has to offer. I'm gonna go ahead, target like around here, and there we go. Now we just stay patient. I mean, today is Thursday. I'm still having alerts going on. To any of y'all who may be confused or wondering, why am I taking this trade right now? Am I jumping the gun? Am I doing this? Am I doing that? To me, I'm not. It's 7 in the morning in Australia. So, you know, the New Zealand dollar operates off of the Australian time zone. If you ain't know, now you know. But yeah, this is like basically, say you about to trade New York session, you waiting for a candle to print off, you want to enter in during the kill zone, which is at like 9 a.m. For us, you know, we can still enter in New York trades at like 7, 8 in the morning. It's just the kill zone is at 9 in the morning. So same thing, same concept right now. It is like 7 a.m. over there. The kill zone will be in 2 hours. So like that's when the most volume is happening, which is at like 5, 6 o'clock. That's why whenever the daily, you know what I'm saying, prints off, when the new day first starts up, the candles start acting crazy because y'all get what I'm saying now. So that's basically all I just did. I just entered in the trade, you know, pre-kill zone, but it's still Australian session right now. It's in New York. And yeah, man, now we about to go ahead, see what this market has to do. I'm gonna go ahead and update the Discord community, let them know as well, because we gotta be, you feel me, transparency is always what's needed, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let the Discord community know. Other than that, I got a little bit of work to do. I don't wanna drag this out, but I did wanna catch that entry on cam because it's been taking us a minute, bruh. Like, we've been trying to catch a market to trade for quite some time. And I mean, right now we in the market. I'll go ahead and flip the camera so y'all can see where we at. Yeah, man, as of right now, this is how we looking. Stop loss about 21 pips, take profit about 48 pips. Nice, win at 2.3. Not bad, not bad, not bad. That's how it looks on the daily time frame. We're gonna continue to allow this to play out. And I'm gonna go ahead and take care of some business.
Currently, man, I'm looking at the market. That's why y'all see my gaze going. You feel me? But I'm looking at the market. I'm talking to y'all, and at the same time, I'm looking at some cake because this cake right here, low key, look like it's about to smack. You already know we probably gonna roll up, scroll up, smoke up. That cake might just do us. You know what I'm saying? Eat like a little slice or whatever. Probably throw the rest of it to the side. We ain't gonna go too deep onto that though.
You don't find that suspicious?
That's besides the point, man. I want to talk to y'all about the markets. What's going on right now? What am I seeing? Why did I make the decision that I made? I don't know. Like, I feel like I hopped in a trade, but I didn't do the best job at explaining myself. So that's why I'm here right now. We're going to talk about it. And yeah, Before we go ahead and get too deep into it though, I'm gonna go ahead, just reverse the camera so y'all can see exactly what we looking like right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set us back up and we're gonna get to talking about exactly what's going on and about exactly what's gonna happen. Currently, we are on NZDCHF, and on this market currently, bruh, we in drawdown. Just a little bit. We in drawdown, bruh. If I zoom in, y'all see the candle that has the arrow right here. This is the candle that we entered in on, and this is what's happening right now. As y'all can see on the time though, it's about 7 p.m. I don't remember, I think it was maybe like 3-ish, something, 4-ish. I don't know, around that time before, like whenever we entered in. Yeah, so from here on, now we just go ahead. We allowed to do what it gotta do. We in drawdown, so gotta stay patient. We are in drawdown. Literally, as I'm looking at this, we're 248 in drawdown. Like, we basically at break even. Like, literally, we right over here by entry, so it's not really much that's been going on. Now, that also plays into factor for why I entered in when I entered in. It might have been confusing to some people. Like I said, I was trying to break it down earlier with the New York, you know what I'm saying, example, how it's still New York session at 7 a.m., but at 9:30, that's the kill zone time. When I entered in, it was essentially 7 o'clock New York, but 7 o'clock Australian. Kill zone is at 9:30, which is at like 6 o'clock over here for us. So I entered in at the time I entered in to avoid one thing. And the one thing I was trying to avoid, or just get the best out of, you know what I'm saying, my entry with, was the spread. I took a risk knowing that if I enter in a little bit earlier, this could take me away from that Tokyo spread, that Australian spread that tends to happen following New York after the daily prints off, all of that stuff. If you try to enter in right after, for one, your order just gonna get like, it's gonna lag, and then it'll eventually just push you up 10 pips away from wherever you actually entered in at. And 10 pips is a lot of pips. Don't get it misconstrued now. 10 pips is a lot. I know sometimes we be going for like 300 pips, 200 pips on like longer swing positions, but let's be real right now. 10 pips, that's a whole, bruh. Scalpers eat off of 10 pips. I'm just gonna say, so like 10 pips, you know, from an entry. Sometimes you can afford it. The way I'm looking at this right now, I just felt like I could have got my best entry entering in a little bit earlier before that kill zone, before that spread hits. So that's why I entered in when I entered in, and why I entered in where I entered in is because I got one thing. I got my break and my retest in this area. Like, I entered in right here in this zone for a reason. This is a high quality zone. A lot of stuff, a lot of price action is printing off in this area. Not only that, I'm getting my break and retest in this area. On top of an EMA, on top of other confluences with higher time frame confluences, I'm feeling good about this trade. But by the same token, I also look at it from an objective perspective, and I'm seeing how, you know, things can still go left. Like, just because I hopped in a trade, just because, you know what I'm saying, this is my first trade, does not mean it's gonna play out exactly how I want it to. Just because I'm seeing my strategy, just because I'm seeing confluences, doesn't mean it's gonna do what I want it to do. So, you know, I'm noticing with my stop loss, it's a little bit tight. I don't have like mad amount of breathing room, but I don't feel as though, just based off the way market structure is looking in this range, that I need it. In simpler words, I feel like we're in a decent spot in the bullish trend to where my stop loss doesn't have to be super low, and I'm just going with the trend. So it looks like the flow is going up right now. We just trying to ride the wave, and we gonna let it do what it do. Yeah, hopefully that answered some questions. Hopefully that gave somebody some clarity. We gonna see how the story unfolds together. Like, this is how it happens all the time. Y'all just now seeing it in real time from like a daily standpoint of how long it really takes before things even start to look decent. I don't know. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. I'm gonna get up with y'all here in a little bit.
Back, man. Only for a quick little minute, because this is where I'm gonna be ending off the video, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can see it's already the next day. I got the mask on. When y'all see the mask and this jacket combo, just know I'm going to work. It's the next morning. Like I said, bro, I'm about to be on my way off, headed out the door up to work, and this is where the video is gonna be ended. If you watch the video the whole way through, if you gained any value, you gained anything from this video, be sure to drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. A lot more content coming the way, and continue to show love, because we're gonna have a lot more videos like this coming out. You gonna have another video dropping today, another one dropping tomorrow. Go ahead, man, show love, return to the channel, because y'all won't be disappointed at all. Also, be sure to click the links down below in the description and join the free Discord community with other traders, man. We up in there together, grinding out together, escaping the rat race together. Be sure to click that link, book your own one-on-one session with me, and lock in, get better at this skill set that we call trading. Be sure to click on that as well. I know y'all probably want to know what's going on with that trade. I know y'all probably want to update, but y'all gonna have to get that next video, squad. Next video.
I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.